Here are the starters for your Orlando Magic.
If I could watch only one game this week, I think this would be the one.
Both of these teams have some great competitors on their roster, so look for some great individual efforts throughout this game.
Looks at three. Mim takes the board. Miller unloads. Davis picks up the foul.
His percentage from the line is as near to perfect as you're going to see in his league.
Yeah, that's why his opponents hate seeing him step up to the line. To the Diesel with a nice shot fake. Passes off to Davis. To McGrady. To Shaq. Fires away.
Weber. The assist to number 34, Shaquille O'Neal.
He sets it up on the left side. Backs him in. Davis with the defensive foul. It must be tough to be sitting on the bench when your team's in trouble.
It might be the toughest thing you ever have to do. You just want to get up and just get in there.
Fran is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
He sets it up on the left side. McGrady with the paint. Man, it's a monster down there.
The assist to Baron Davis.
They're looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. He sets it up on the right side. Fran is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Puts up the shot. Mim with the two.
The assist to Andre
Hill
Miller.
will bring it up court. Sends it to Weber. For the defensive foul. Weber is one of the team's most consistent free throw shooters.
Team foul number 1.
Foul shot is no good. Odom pulls it down. Miller feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it. At 6'8", 265, former Duke Blue Devil Elton Brand is a terror inside.
This guy is a defender's nightmare, Don.
Sewell is showing how it's done. The Magic are up by 4. He sets it up on the right side. Miller wants to try and work it into the post here. Davis takes it away. Takes it. Davis goes for 3. Odom brings it down. They're trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. Dish to Miller.
Dumping it down low seems to be a good idea, Don.
Well, Bob, they feel the other team just can't defend them down there. He's 1 for 2 from the line. Miller sinks the second. Slamming it down with a windmill dunk. The Magic are up by 4. Puts up the rainmaker. Mim grabs the offensive rebound.
2 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Out of bounds, Orlando ball.
Davis is so tough to guard. He can beat you in so many different ways. He can shoot, he can pass, he can do it all. Mim steals the ball. They go on the break. He couldn't connect on the pass.
There was no way the other player could have known that ball was heading his way.
To Hill. He fakes. Pass to Weber. The 3. Davis needs to find a way to score, and that ain't it. Dishes off to O'Neal. Tosses it into Weber. The 3. Oh, yes.
Davis for 3.
Miller will bring it up court.
Chris Weber.
He let that shot go just as soon as he came clear of the screen. Weber fakes the shot. To O'Neal. To McGrady. To Davis. For three. No good. Brand with the board. Dishes off to Hardaway from three-point range. Oh, yes.
The assist to number 24, Andre Miller.
With the fake.
He whipped out his left handle there. His performance at the foul line has been a distraction for his team.
Especially when games come down to the wire, they don't want opposing defenses to be able to put him on the line. The Magic are ahead by 5. He's looking to make the entry pass.
And if they can get it in there, they have a good chance of scoring.
Backs down his defender. Odom, good fake. Backing his man down. Mr. High Riser, he sure threw that one down with authority.
Number 1, Penny Hardaway.
Teams try to limit Webber's production by double-teaming him. The problem is he's such a good passer.
Bob looks like they'll need to work on the scoring.
And their defense, and a few other things.
This isn't the best game I've seen these guys play. Lays it in.
Now that was not the shot they wanted to give him.
No defender was able to make a play on the ball with a nice shot fake. This team has been able to out-rebound their opponents throughout the game. Odom is trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. Sends it to Mims. Batted away by O'Neal.
Los Angeles ball.
He gets the ring, baby. Step it up.
Wide open. Millard makes the jumper.
The assist to Elton Brand.
No. Odom collects the rebound. Hardaway from downtown. O'Neal takes the rebound. To McGrady. To Seaweb. For three. No good. Brand takes the board.
2 up.
Dishes off to Brand. With the shot. Can't find the hole. To T-Mac. To Davis. He shoots from downtown. Odom brings it down. He has 5 rebounds. Hardaway, no good. Passes off to Hill. To T-Mac. Pump fakes. That rocks the rim.
High power.
The assist to Tracy McGrady.
Millard is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
I need help. Help.
Finger roll.
They're having a hard time containing him.
His shots keep dropping. There's the fake. To Davis. Dish to Weber. He's rocking it.
You want to watch the backbone.
That's 12 points for the former first-round pick.
For the Clippers, number 54, Chris Wilcox.
Davis with the steal. It's 2-on-1. He slams that one down
The
two-fisted.
assistant, number 1, Baron Davis.
Cummings will bring it up court.
2. Hey! Come on, Rapper. Come on.
Backs him down.
2 on. Let's go. Help, here.
No. Hill brings it down. McGrady takes the shot. Pushes it up to Cummings.
He's all over me.
To Brand. To the goods. Davis buys the fake. One-on-one, this player is hard to stop. Cummings lets it fly. Hill gets the board. McGrady for the finger roll. That's 6 points for the former first-round pick. The Magic on a 6-zip run. Cummings feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it. Weber with the steal. O'Neal takes the feed. Sends it to Hill. Dishes it to McGrady. He brought down the house with that one. He's backing down.
Defensive stop right now. Come on.
Richardson makes the lay-in. The Magic have the lead.
Now, these guys are playing with some fire and determination right now.
They're giving the visitors all they can handle.
And then some.
Travel.
He fakes the shot. Stolen. Los Angeles is on the fast break, and they've got the numbers.
Defensive foul.
McGrady picks up the defensive foul.
A lot of coaches will complain that the players are not getting enough trips to the line.
Now, when they get them, they better make the most of them. The Clippers narrow the gap to 6. Davis will bring it up court. O'Neal, good fake. To Hill. To Davis.
There's no stopping T-Mac. He's just got too many weapons once he gets the ball.
Launches the 3. That sequence didn't work out for them at all.
The shooter got the ball a little outside of his range and couldn't convert.
Come on, you gotta call that. Fist.
To the goods. Backing his defender down.
Pressure the ball.
With the layup.
Let's see if they go back to him on offense.
When a player gets beat, he needs to go down the other end of the court and get some back. He threw that down hard. Orlando decreases their lead to 6. Cummings is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Steal. Orlando moves the ball up court in a hurry. He gets called for the charge.
He'll have to play smarter than that on offense.
Davis is called for the defensive foul. Cummings misses the first.
Fourth personal. We are now in the penalty.
It's the second shot.
We got one here. Get it off.
To T-Mac. Back to O'Neal. At the end of the first half, the Magic lead the Clippers 30-25. After one half of play, Bob, what do you see them doing to get back into this one?
Better shot selection down. Too many times in the first half, these guys just settle for the first shot they saw.
And let's see if they're able to move things around more inside. Mims gets that one.
The assist.
Steal. Takes the shot. Hardaway drains the jumper. He'll bring it up court. To Seaweb with the nice shot fake. Powers it down with a two-handed jam.
The assist to number 33, Grant Hill.
Fist.
With the jumper. Yes.
Right now, he's calling his own number.
Yeah, but who's going to complain?
Not me. This is my kind of game.
To O'Neal. Up fake. To T-Mac. To Weber. Back to McGrady. Dish to Weber. Leaves his feet. He pounds one down.
Stand clear of him.
He has 7 points.
The assist to number 1,
Millard sets up the offense. Davis with the defensive foul.
Number 1, Baron Davis.
Hardaway pump fakes.
Team foul.
No.
Number 1.
Mim takes it hard to the rack.
Solid D. Just solid D.
To Weber. Passes off to O'Neal. 3. Davis brings the shot.
For 3. The assist to Grant Hill.
He sets it up on the right side. Looks like they want to go inside.
They think they can definitely get some points from down low.
Millard is whistled for the defensive foul.
That's his second personal team foul.
If you're coaching at
Number
the
1.
high school level, this is the kind of guy you want to see your players watching.
I got to admit, he has flawless technique. Foul shot is good.
Fist. Right. Get through. Get in the passing
That was a
lane.
bone-jarring screen.
If you're going to set a pick, you want to make it nice and solid. Orlando comes up with the big J.
That's an 8-zip run.
Fist.
Millard is trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. The offense is looking to get something in the post.
They want to try to get the post players involved.
O'Neal gets the board. The Magic on a 10-0 run.
Baron Davis.
2 up. What? Nothing there? Call it. That's not right.
When they spread their offense, it gives him the room he needs to operate.
And it really makes a tough draw on the defender.
They don't have numbers on this fast break. He takes it strong to the hoop. That's a 12-0 run. The Magic
The
leads
assist
by
to
13.
number 1, Tracy McGrady.
Millard sets things up. Strips the ball. They have to be happy with the number of steals they've been getting. Dishes it to Davis. To O'Neal. He cranks the tomahawk. That's a 14-zip run. Orlando increases their lead to 15. I think we're seeing a call for some post play here.
2 minutes
They
to
want to
go.
work the ball inside to see how the defense reacts.
Picks the pocket. Orlando has a 2-on-1 advantage. No good. Odom grabs the rebound.
3 up.
Hardaway takes the feed. The three. This game won't be won that way.
They need to make sure they're getting their guys the ball where they can make the shot.
To the Diesel. He gets his man in the air. He drives it home.
And he's not stopping for nothing.
The Magic on a 16-0 run. The rest of the team gave him some room to operate. Hardaway is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
Millard spends a lot of time working on his free throws, and it shows up in his stats. He sets up the offense. We're seeing the post players trying to establish position.
He's looking for the entry pass so he can go to work, Don.
The assist to Andre Miller.
To McGrady. Dish to O'Neal. To Hill. The fake. To the Diesel. Dishes it to Hill. Sends it to McGrady. To Davis.
Put it up.
To McGrady. He puts up the shot. Oh, yes.
Count it.
The assist to Baron Davis.
5 up.
Hardaway wants to try and work it into the post here. Tosses it into Brand. Backs him in. They're looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Strips the ball. Orlando is running the floor tonight.
3.
Hill pump fakes. To O'Neal. Picks the pocket. Pass to Miller. He sets up the play. He takes the three. No. At the end of the third quarter, the Magic lead the Clippers 50. It's time to talk about your predictions, Robert, for the fourth quarter.
All right, I'll make a prediction.
You do that.
All right, here it is. I predict these guys are going to let their guard down long enough for the other team to get back in this contest.
Drives the three. Brand gets the board. To Penny. To Odom. Pass to Mim. To Penny. Puts up the tray. Knocks down the three. He has 8 points. He pump fakes. Shoots. Hill buries the jumper.
The assist to number 34, Shaquille O'Neal.
On the arm. 3 up.
Hardaway with the rainmaker. O'Neal brings it down. He's now got 5 rebounds. He takes the rock to the rack.
And powers it down.
He's on a tear with
The
17
assist to
points.
Shaquille O'Neal.
3 up.
Odom puts it up. Comes up empty. O'Neal gets the rebound. He smacks it down.
All the way down.
The Magic on a 6-zip run.
The assist to Shaquille O'Neal.
3. Get him out.
Looks at the three. He grabs the rebound.
3 up.
Dishes it to Weber. Davis, good fake. To T-Mac. Looks at the three. Their offense is out of sync right now.
Don, the only way they're going to win this is by settling down and finding the right
The
shot.
assist to
He's now got 9 points. Los Angeles trails by 17. Mim goes for the shot fake. The three. He drains it.
He delivers on another
The
big
assist
basket.
to
The Magic
Shaquille
lead
O'Neal.
by 20. Hardaway is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. O'Neal collects the rebound. Dishes off to Hill.
You've got to whistle that.
That one's off the hook. Hardaway couldn't handle the drive.
You watch that.
Miller feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it. Weber comes up with it. McGrady takes the pass to Davis. Makes the shot. Looks at the three. No good. Brand grabs it.
Man, watch the foul.
Hardaway is trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. To Odom. Backs his man down.
Double team, double team.
To Mim. Shot blocked by McGrady.
Don't get here, boy.
6 on the shot clock.
Oh, get it up.
With the shot. No good. Weber with the board. 7-zip run. He'll bring it up court.
Missed.
2 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter.
Foul. That's a foul.
Puts up the J. Brand hits the 2.
Out of bounds. Los Angeles ball.
If they get a turnover, they've got to run back and try for a quick basket.
3.
To Miller. Pass to Miller. Takes his jumper. Yes! He leads the team with 16 points. To C-Web. Fake. Sends it to Davis. Steal.
If you keep hustling like that, you'll be able to get some steals.
Going for 3. The Goods makes the shot. That's an 8-0 run. Los Angeles is down by 16. Stolen.
And this is what their coach has been talking about.
They force the misstep. Knocked away.
3 up.
Davis with the fake. To McGrady.
Out.
Get out of there.
That one had a blast
The
radius
assist
about
to
3 miles wide.
Shaquille O'Neal.
5 up. Big stop.
3.
Big D here. Come on. Let's
Weber picks it out of the air.
This is where they've got to make a stand.
Gives it off to Davis. Finger roll.
These guys are working as a team, and it's really paying off.
Just take a look at the scoreboard, Bob.
3.
Rejected. Hardaway is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
That's 9 boards for the former first-round pick. Davis from downtown. Brand boards it. For 3. Miller can't find the hole. Tonight's final score, Orlando 69, Los Angeles 49.